Hello class, this is just a brief tutorial, and this tutorial goes along with activity 4.3. So one of the things you're going to have to do in 4.3 is you're going to have to fill in a data table, and that's pretty easy. If you just click on the columns, you can type in whatever numbers you want. But down below, it's going to ask you to create a bar graph showing the relationship between elastic energy and rigidity. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you right away that part of what I'm assessing you on is as to whether or not you get the lab and you get rigidity, you get deformation, is can you create the graph? So I'm really looking for you to do it versus you coming up to me and say, I don't know what to do. I want you to tell me how to do it. So do the best you can. I want you to create the graph. So how can you create this graph? How can you insert something like this into your activity? So the first thing I want you to do is click on the graph that's there, and I want you to copy it. So I'm going to hit Command C, that's copy on my Mac. So whatever machine you're on, copy this. Then I'm going to put my cursor over here off to the left. I'm going to go up above and I'm going to insert. I'm going to go hover over drawing and I'm going to click on new. So once I get there, I'm going to go up to actions and I'm going to hit paste. So that graph that I just created is now, or that I just copied, is now here. So what I'm going to do inside here is I'm going to create my graph. Now you can probably do it in different ways. You can do it with shapes. I like to do it with lines. So what I'm going to do here is for the wooden ruler, I'm just going to create a line here. I'm going to create it here. And now I'm going to come back down and here's going to be my graph. Now you can do this for the other one, whatever is higher. I'm not going to tell you that your graph is going to look like this. I'm not even looking at my numbers. I'm just creating a graph. So it could be as simple as that. You know, if you want to click on the lines, if you want to click on each line and make it a little bit thicker, you can do that. If you want to not only make them thicker, but change the color of it, you can do that. And you can have, say, a red line, and then you can have, you know, like a blue line, whatever you want to do. Once you get done with your graph, if you hit save and close, now your graph will appear here. Just take this other graph, delete it, and now this will be your new graph. If you take it and you push this text wrap, now you can actually put it in the same spot the other one was, and a text will wrap around it. So you're going to do that for rigidity and deformation. This is, again, just a quick tutorial on how to insert and create your graphs. If you have any questions, be sure to ask. Thanks.